Hey guys, welcome back to Joe Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to insert charts in Canva. Now I'm inside Canva here guys, and I have a blank canvas here, and I'm going to show you step by step how to insert charts. So what you want to do, you want to head over to apps here on the left hand side. So you want to scroll down and find these options here and click on apps. Now once you're here, you want to go ahead and you want to type in charts, right? So once you type in charts, you'll be able to find some options here, and I would recommend the two options here. You can either choose the first chart or the chart plus. It's really up to you. Just go ahead and choose any one of them and you should be able to insert charts. So I'm going to just simply click the first one. Here you can see some options here. You have bar charts, you have line charts, you have pie and donut charts, you have area charts, and so much more guys. So you just need to go ahead and choose the one that you wish, right? So let's say I'm going to work with a bar chart. So I'm going to go ahead and click on all to see what they have. And let's say I'm going to work with this one here or this one here. All I have to do is just simply click on that chart and it's going to insert right into Canva. And I can go ahead and I can modify what I want it to say. I can modify the name of the series, everything within this. I can go ahead and I can edit that. So all I have to do, I just need to go ahead and click on edit. You can see you have the option to edit and you can go ahead and make changes here. You can change the spacing, you can change the roundness, everything that you wish to change, you can go ahead and you can change that. So for example, I want to change a series. I can come here by clicking on it, and as you can see, you have the options here to make whatever you want here. Before we jump in guys, would you mind take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button, because this will let me know that you found value within this video. And on top of that, the biggest benefit is that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Now let's continue within this. So you have the labels, you have the values, and you can change them as you wish. You can add additional if you so desire as well. So you can simply come here and you can add more option in it if you so desire. As you can see, you have a series. You can add a series 3 if you so desire. So you can say, oh, I need series 3. Oh, I need series 4. And you can simply add that in. You can even add additional values if you so desire here. So you can easily modify to whatever you want. So let's say you don't want this to say series 1 and series 2, but you want it to say, I don't know, let's say value. You can go ahead and double click here and you can change this from series to value, right? And you can do the same for the second one. You can change it to value, right? So this is how you can easily go ahead and make changes to it. Now, once you're finished, just click off. You can go ahead and you can change the numbers as well. So let's say I want this to say items. I can change this to say, I don't know, let's put it to be 7. I can make that changes, and you can see that these are literally changing as well. So this is how you can easily go ahead and modify. You have full control over everything that you see within the chart guys, so you can easily modify it to your liking, and it's as easy as that. No, I also want to mention to you guys that when you go to apps here and you search, depending on the type of charts that you'll be choosing, you could be required to have Canva Pro to access some of these. But this one is pretty easy. As you can see, it's a basic chart, requires no additional subscription. You can easily use these values here to make whatever you want. And that's it. Very easy and very simple. How to add charts in Canva. Here you have it guys. I really hope you found value within this video, and if you do, don't forget to take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button so that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.